Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifras, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the YOLO Park Shurato Ryoma AMK Pro Series 19cm model kit. Thank you very much YOLO Park for sending this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Ganda ng packaging niya, window type packaging. Tapos meron dito information of Shurato, one of the 8 parts of the Sky Realm with the strongest strength, a good friend of the Heavenly King, Qiaojia, a person with strong sense of justice, having great faith and a upright character, not very good at interpersonal communication, occasionally joking around, tall, and decisive. Particularly reliable among people. Among the 8 ministries, they were close friends with their Heavenly King and thus fought against Indra together, sacrificing their lives multiple times. Very nice packaging, no glue required, no painting required, and no tools required. Tapos ito yung side of the box. And here are the shots of the model kit, front and back. Tapos ito pa yung alternate figure without the armor. Ito yung meron siyang snake armor. And I think is this the snake armor? A dragon and the legendary snake. Okay, this is the dragon na armor pala niya. Okay, choking hazard, Shurato. Again, thank you very much YOLO Park. This is a very nice collectible AMK Pro Series na Shurato Ryoma. Sana padala niya rin yung mismo si Shurato. Magre-request tayo para ma-review din natin. Alright, first ito yung plain na suit niya, walang armor. So yung armor niya lang dito, yung chest, yung waist, tapos meron siyang suit na gray. Pero dito meron pa siyang isang figure, one whole figure. Grabe yung AMK Pro na line for Shurato. Dalawang figures. So you have the non-armor suit, the plain suit, and the armorized na version with the dragon and the snake na texture. So nakalagay dito sa, actually hindi ko napanood yung Shurato, pero meron konting information sa Ryoma. So Ryoma is the strongest member of the Hachibushu and is blindly devoted to his own sense of justice. If he feels betrayed, he will attack with no holds barred, even if the person he's fighting is his closest friend. His Shakti armor, Shakti pala tawag dito. His Shakti armor is inspired by the dragon and the legendary snake, the Naga. Ryoma and his weapons are a trident and a shield. Nasa yung trident? Ito, meron siyang trident and nasa yung shield? Hindi pa nakikita. Ito yung shield. Oh. Yeah, I think ito yung shield niya. His powers are based on his strength and heat and flame. Okay. So first, ito muna yung review natin. So meron siyang different faces, different emotions. So you have the side eye na emotion or na face. Tapos yung hair niya naka ponytail sa likod. Tapos ito mid hanging ponytail na naka-tali with a red na string or band. And then you have the closed eyes sting. Tapos meron siyang headband na yellow and the red dot sa gitna. So yun yung 2 emotions at 2 expressions, and ito yung pinakagusto ko, yung angry expression niya na sinuot ko dito sa armored version. Okay, this is the suit version. Yun nga kanina, ito lang armor niya, black with shoulder pads, tapos gray yung inner suit. You have the yellow and black na combination, very nice contrast. You also have alternate hands. You have the holding hands for the trident, and meron ding out hands. Iba rin yung color ng out hands niya for the armored version. It's very nice kasi dito sa normal suit naka-expose yung hands niya. Okay, and then you have the cloth here, rubber siya. Ayan. Soft rubber para hindi mahinder yung flexibility niya. And you also have articulation para dito. Ang ganda rin ng boots. Wait lang, measure muna natin siya. This AMK Pro stands at around 7.5 inches tall. Madali lang naman replace yung yung face plate. Pull nyo lang tong hair. Yan, tapos ma-replace nyo na yan. Alright, for articulation, up, down, oh, nice. Rotate, 360, tilt, nice. Body, up crunch, stretch, side to side movement. Shoulder armor, pwede mong i-rotate outside para para merong range of motion yung kanyang arms. You can also push back. Konting-konting butterfly joint. Okay? Tapos rotation sa arm, elbow, double jointed. Also, ganda ng articulation niya. Very nice. Okay? Tapos, you can also kick. Meron ding thigh cut. Okay? So you can rotate, kick that far, back kick that far. Tapos, double jointed knee. And you also have the ball jointed na excuse me, ball jointed na feet. Dito sa kanyang foot naman, foot design, naka lang siya, sandals. Okay, proceed tayo dito sa Shakti armor. This is a very nice armor. So you have texture ng snake and the head of the dragon dito sa kanyang left shoulder armor. Look at the size of this thing sa kanyang shoulder. It's very nice. Halos kasing haba ng kanyang arm. So you have the green and yellow color combination. You also have the blue suit. Tapos nilagay ko dito yung angry face ni Ryoma. Tapos mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga pointed parts kasi medyo nakakatusok siya. You also have the crown, shoulder armor, chest armor. Itong chest armor babaklasin natin yan para mabuo natin yung kanyang dragon na parang dragon pod, para siyang vehicle. Tapos yung kanyang belt medyo loose talaga siya kasi para pwede mong i-rotate yung kanyang feet. Okay? Hindi siya naka-glue. Ayan. Tapos dito sa boots meron din siyang texture ng snake. And sa back, ito yung kanyang appearance. Meron din siyang parang yin-yang na symbol sa likod. Sa dragon naman, you have the yellow na parang segment dito sa both side of the cheeks. Ito rin sa ilalim ng kanyang chin. And meron siyang jagged teeth. Nabubuka ba yung nito? Teeth? Hindi. Meron siyang red eyes, red dot sa middle of the chest, blue circle sa below ng chest. Okay? So yun, that's it. Yun yung design nitong Shakti armor. Very nice. May mga curved parts, may mga angular parts. Ito may mga parang horn type na design based dito sa dragon. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, babaklasin na natin to para mabuo natin yung dragon na vehicle. Okay, sabi dito sa sa manual, i-remove down natin itong mga parts na to. So, this one, itong shoulder armor, okay. Ito rin. Okay. Uy, ano nangyari? Alright, I'm back and na-assemble na natin yung vehicle na a dragon with snake na texture. Medyo mabigat siya. Ang ganda. Meron pa siyang base. Tapos pwede mo siyang ilagay on top of it. So para siyang nagle-levitate. And you also have the pole na pwede mo ikabit dito sa either part, either segment dito sa either peg dito sa left or right. Tapos yung mga armor ni Ryoma, in-attach natin dito sa iba't ibang parts para mabuo yung vehicle. And maganda rin tong wheels sa ilalim so you can move Ryoma around. And super cool. Parang mas maganda to i-display na naka vehicle mode yung dragon. And nasa taas yung Ryoma with the black suit or the gray suit. Ganda ng appearance niya. Super nice. You have the outstretched na arms dito sa front. You have the head. Tapos meron kang parang booster dito sa likod. Tapos pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng pole para pwede mong ilagay dito si Ryoma na nagle-levitate din. Super cool. Kaya try natin. Wait lang. Alright, there you go. Angas ng gawa dito ni YOLO Park. Again, thank you very much YOLO Park sa pagbigay sa akin ito. Super nice, and hopefully in the future magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming projects together. So that's it mga mom sir. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.